Hello guys, today I'm gonna help you with mobile data not working and I will tell you how to fix it. I hope you like the video and enjoy it. Okay, so the first thing we are gonna do is we are gonna go to settings, then to the search bar and look for mobile data here and gonna turn it off, turn it on. It should work. If it didn't help you, we can also go to, I think, SIM manager, yes, and we can toggle off the SIM card, so you won't be able to make calls or use mobile data, but you turn it off, then you turn it on, and now it's working. Okay, next thing we are gonna do is you need to ensure that your SIM card is properly inserted, so it works, yes. And next thing you can do is restart network settings. Wait a little bit. Okay, so what we can do, manage network. You can turn it off and turn it on. Yes. Or you need to contact your carrier like T-Mobile or Orange. And I think it's all. Thank you for watching. Have a good day. Goodbye.